We know you're the proud owner of a GM 99 through 07 Classic truck. Now you're the proud owner of a DualLiner, the real truck bed protection system. We're going to go through the 4 easy steps of installation today. Step 1 is to install the load guard. Be sure that the bottom edge goes in ahead of the tie downs. The hard polyethylene sidewalls are step 2. They slip into place and then you pop the rear tie down in. The rear clip is designed to fit this way. A little trick I've learned is to put them in this way. They're easier to remove if I ever want to put a tie down strap in this hole. 2 push pins complete the side installation. Now we repeat the process on the other side. Clip in the back, 2 push pins up front, and that completes step 2. The ZeroSkid floor is next. I like to tuck one side into the channel, let the other side drop across, and then we'll go tuck in the other side. Here's the dual technology of it. We combine this thick ZeroSkid rubber floor with hard custom fitted sidewalls. Your stuff stays where you put it, and you get custom fitted dent protection. The tailgate panel is step 4. You'll use the top 2 latch bolts to hold it in place, line it up, and then you're going to drill a few 1/4-inch holes for push pins around the perimeter. Holes are already in the panel. You just need to center and drill through. When you go to put the push pins in, don't forget to use the rust preventative that comes in the kit. A little around the hole, a little on the pin itself, push them together, done. That's it, 4 easy steps. Now you have the real truck bed protection system in your truck. Be sure you jump out to the website, DualLiner.com, and fill in your warranty registration form. The real lifetime warranty is there for your protection. Hey, now that you've seen how great DualLiner is, share this video with a friend so they can own the only bed liner that works.